and we're going to be teaching you the interactive turtle project. Now, to start off, we have our import turtle, which is a variable. We have our pat equals turtle.turtle, which also is a variable, and we have screen.pat equals screen, which gives us our background variable. These variables all add up to add our basic functions. Pat.shape turtle gives us our shape of the turtle, which is in our code already, giving us a head start. Pat.color.green, or quote green, gives us the color of our turtle. Screen.bg color gives our background color, cyan. Def left key gives pat.left 90. So 90 degrees to the left, as you can see, turns right away to the left. Now, def right key, if we press the right key, we can go to the right. To the right. Def up key makes us go up or forward. Def A key.
Define A key makes it so that our pat, it stops drawing, then it goes to its home area, which is 0, 0, and it clears the screen and it starts drawing again.
Def D key makes our 4 eye range make a dance. So 180 degrees negative, 180 degrees plural. So as you can see here, we just press D, and our little turtle dances back and forth. Unfortunately, we are having some lag, so we are having some slow issues at the moment. Def down key makes our turtle go negative 10 pixels, which makes us go backwards. Def Q key makes us
makes it so that it's a toggleable stop drawing and start drawing function. So it checks if the pen is drawing, and if it is true, it makes it stop drawing. If it's false, it will start drawing.
As you can see here, we are easily able to take it off the pen and on the pen. FW key.
So what FW key does is it makes a square, as you see, so to the right. So what 4 and iron range does is that it repeats the code 4 times. Pat speed and the other pat speed at the bottom, what it does, it makes the square instantly. Pat 4 up top it says pat 4 220. That makes the turtle do a square that is like 220 pixels. And pat right, it makes the turtle turn right 90 degrees.
Def E key.
What def E key does is it makes a circle of which is of 50 pixels of diameter, and also the speed.
And def S key. And def F key makes ourselves a portable eraser, such if I were to make a line going up, I can then press S, making it turn white, and making our turtle erase this line. Granted, unfortunately, our code does not support the color fully because our colors are unfortunately tampered with the code being not the original Python, but it does get the job done after a couple lines going past.
Hold on. Sorry, my mic is go back. I'll just cut this part out.
Yeah, no problem. Okay. Go ahead.
S
Wait, not yet. Go ahead.
Def S key makes it so that it's the toggleable erase function. So it checks if the color is green, then it changes the color to cyan and white. It changes it to cyan, which is the drawing color, and white, so you can actually see the turtle. If it's not green, then it changes it to green.
As you can see, it just erased the power line. Granted, you can't see it because we do have an unfortunate supporting problem with our code. On line 58. Go ahead.
Alright, so what screen on key does is it gives a function to all the def keys. So let's say I wanted to make def W key. What I'm gonna do is make the code for def W key, and then I'm gonna write screen.onKey at the bottom with parentheses at the side, write which function on a make a function to, which would be w underscore key, comma, and then assign it to which key I want to make the function to.
And screen.list, that makes all of our codes combined together, meaning every single list codes are supported by screen.listen. If one code does not listen to the other one, there's no code whatsoever. Thank you so much for watching or listening. My name is